So if you're having issues with your MyQ Hub, where sometimes it'll open, sometimes it'll close, might not even work at all, or you have to make several attempts to get it to do anything, well, stay tuned. I might have a solution for you. Hello, I'm Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you're learning about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, as I said before, we're going to talk about a randomly working, not working MyQ Hub. Now, as you can see here, I have a Chamberlain garage door opener that has MyQ built in, and it works just fine. And I have the MyQ Hub unit at my grandmother's house, and that's the one that was kind of acting crazy. Now, at first, I thought it was maybe an internet issue, so I thought if I moved the router closer, it would get a better signal, but that didn't help. And then I deleted the MyQ Hub from my account because all of these are on the same account. So I knew it wasn't the app that was the issue because I have two units and they work just fine. It was just that hub. So finally, I got the Chamberlain support website, and they had a few options that I should try. So I did have the MyQ unit right next to the garage door opener. They suggest moving it 4 to 6 feet away. So basically the length of the cord. And then once I did that, it worked perfectly. Now, I'm a little upset because this wasn't clearly stated in the install instructions, but it is on their support site. So this could have alleviated a headache if they just would have told me that up front. But oh well. So if you had this problem, I hope it helps. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, check out some of my other videos. Take care.